To create your CloudCMA property report, you'll begin by clicking the Create Property Report icon. Once you enter your client name and locate the address, you're ready to either fetch listings now or enter some notes in the private notes box. Keep in mind that the private notes box are for you and do not appear on reports. Let's fetch listings now.
So you'll notice that I didn't even have to know what the MLS number is, right? So if this is something that I'm getting ready to perhaps relist, I could come in here and change up whatever these details might be. Ideally, you want to do this on an active property, right? So let me just go back here and make sure I do get to an active property so we can show that the way you would normally show it. And this is the stuff that you're going to want to put in, out front perhaps. This is your property report, or maybe during an open house you can put it out on the counter. So it's updating now. Here we go. So this here is Tiffany Murphy's listing that I am selling in Adamstown, Maryland. I have the ability to edit the details, add maybe another listing if I wanted to. It's up to you. I can change the sort if I have multiple, and basically I'm just ready to customize this property report. The property report allows the same customization that all of the other CMA and buyer tours report offer me. I have the ability to integrate, more listing photos if I wanted all 150 photos to be on this report. So maybe we'll just do that. We'll go ahead and add it. And it's really smart. It knows that when I click add more of those listing photos, it doesn't say, oh, let me add it as the last page. It knows these are the first dozen that's on the first page. So obviously I want the rest of the photos to show here. Maybe you don't. That's entirely up to you. You can click and drag any page in any order just like that. So if you want to have the rest of those photos sort of as an afterthought, so they're getting to the bulk of the real stuff that you want them to, guys, it's your choice. You can do whatever you like. We're going to publish that report. So we've got this beautiful property report. This is a PDF only. There's no slideshow for that. So we've got this nice report that I'm going to go ahead and scroll through. We've got Adamstown. There's all the details. And then we have the area schools. And so perhaps Tiffany wanted to talk with me about making an offer. And we're ready to sit down and really kind of talk about the benefits of this property. There's a lot of other reasons that you might want to use this. So we can sit down, talk about where the area restaurants are again, kind of come up with this online. Now, why would we want to do this? Folks, we already know why. Because those estimates are never right. and instead of constantly glossing over it, because who's always going to bring it up anyway, right? It really does help you keep them realistic. You've got all the information at your disposal right there.